Now we are going to start the second part of the question. Question number 5, second part. Question is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2 secant A. So for the left hand side, I will take the LCM as 1 plus sin A into cos A. This cos A will be multiplied with this, that will be cos square A, and 1 sin A plus 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A will be 1 plus sin whole square A. Further, this is cos square A. Now A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. Further, cos square plus sin square A will become 1. 1 plus 2 sin A, 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 sin A, 1 plus sin A into cos A. 2 we will take common, it will be 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. This 1 plus sin A will be cancelled, so it will be 2 upon cos A. Now 2 upon cos A can be written as 2 secant A. So this is your right hand side. So this is the second part of the question, question number 5. Now we will move to the third part. Now the third part of the question is tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. So first of all, left hand side, we will convert this tan into sine upon cos. So it will be written as sine upon cos. Cot will be written as cos upon sine. Again here cot will be written as cos upon sine, and tan will be written as sine upon cos. So here sine theta upon cos theta will take the LCM in the denominator as sine theta. So it will be sine theta minus cos theta. Here also we will take cos theta as LCM. It will be cos theta minus sine theta. Now this sine will be moved here. It will be sine square theta upon cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta, and this cos will be moved here. It will be cos square theta upon sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta. Now we will take the LCM of these terms. Here it is cos into sine minus cos, and it is sine into cos minus sine. This is sine minus cos, this is cos minus sine. We will take minus common from this cos minus sine, and it will become sine minus cos. And we will consider the LCM as cos theta sine theta and sine theta minus cos theta, because we have taken minus common here. So in place of this plus, in the next step I will take minus. So sine will be multiplied with this will become sine cube theta. This cos will be multiplied with cos square cos cube theta, and here I have taken minus because I have taken minus common from here to making the LCM same. Now the next step will be sine cube minus cube, the identity of a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab, that is sine into cos, upon cos theta sine theta into sine theta minus cos theta. This sine theta minus cos theta will be cancelled. So in the next step, sine square plus cos square will be written as 1 plus sine theta cos theta upon cos theta sine theta. Further, I will take it as separate 1 upon cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta upon cos theta sin theta. This will be cancelled. 1 upon cos secant theta, 1 upon sin cosecant theta plus 1 is equal to right hand side. So that is the third part of the question. Now we will move to the next part, that is the fourth part. Now the fourth part of the question number 5 is 1 plus secant A, fourth part, 1 plus secant A upon secant A is equal to, we have to prove it equal to the, we have to prove it equal to the sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. Sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. So first of all, left hand side, 1 plus secant. In place of secant, you will write cos. Here also cos. Cos A will be the LCM, so it will be cos A plus 1 upon 1 upon cos A. Cos A will be cancelled, so it will become cos A plus 1. This is your left hand side. Now we will move to the right hand side. This sin square A will be written as 1 minus cos square A. Further, it will be 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A upon 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A will be cancelled. Only 1 plus cos A will be left. So left hand side will be equal to right hand side. This is the fourth part of the question. Now we'll move to the fifth part of the question. Now the fifth part of the question is very important. That is cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosecant A plus cot A. So left hand side, numerator and denominator both will be divided by cos A. Sin A. Cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A. This is minus 1 upon sin A. Denominator also cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Now cos upon sin will become cot A. Sin will be cancelled, it will be 1, and 1 upon sin A will become cosecant A. Similarly here cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Now in numerator we will write first cot A plus cosec A, and in place of 1 we will write our identity, that is cosec square A minus cot square A. Denominator will be as it is, no change in the denominator. Further, it will be cot A plus cosec A. This identity here, cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now cot A plus cosec A we will take common. Cot A plus cosec A will be common. So it will be 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. And in denominator it is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So this part will be cancelled with this part. Now what is remaining here, we will write it as cosec A plus cot A, which is your right hand side. So hence verified. Now we will move to the next part of the question, that is sixth part of the question. Now the sixth part of the question. In sixth part of the question, what is given to us? Under the root 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A. So we'll take left hand side, 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A. First of all, we will rationalize it as 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A. In numerator, it will be 1 plus sin A whole square. In denominator it will be 1 minus sine square. Further 1 plus sine a whole square, 1 minus sine square a will be written as cos square a. Now the square will be cancelled with root. So 1 plus sine a upon cos a. We'll separate it, 1 upon cos a plus sine a upon cos a, and 1 upon cos a will be secant a, sine a upon cos a will be tan a, which is your right hand side. So this is the sixth part of the question. Now we'll move to the next part, that is seventh part. Now in the seventh part of the question is sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to, we have to prove that tan theta. So in left hand side we'll take sine theta as common, it will be 1 minus 2 sine square theta. In denominator we'll take cos theta as common, it will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. Further this sine upon cos will become tan theta. Now 1 minus 2, in place of sine square we will write 1 minus cos square, and in denominator as it is. Further tan theta 1 minus 2 plus cos square theta, this is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now 1 minus 2 is minus 1, so it will be cos square 2 will be multiplied with this 2 cos square theta minus 1 upon 2 cos square theta minus 1. This will be cancelled, only tan theta will remain. This is your right hand side. So this is the seventh part of the question. Now we will move to the next part, eighth part of the question. Eighth part of question number 5 is sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So left hand side a plus b whole square, so it will be sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a into cosec a. Similarly this will be cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 cos a into secant a. Further this sin square plus cos square will become 1. Cosec square will be written as 1 plus cot square a. This 2 sin a into cosec a will be written as 1 upon sin a, plus secant square a will be written as 1 plus tan square a, and this secant a will be written as 1 upon cos a. Cos a will be cancelled, sin a will be cancelled. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, this one 5, 5 plus 2 7. So it will be 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a. This is your right hand side. Now we will move to the ninth part of the question. Now the ninth part of the question is cosec a minus sin a into secant a minus cos a is equal to 1 upon tan a plus cot a. So left hand side cosec a will be written as 1 upon sin a, and secant a will be written as